Hi everyone, happy weekend. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy XRP and HBAR on Bybit crypto exchange. So guys, if you want to buy XRP and HBAR on Bybit, the first thing you will do is this. You will register on Bybit exchange app. After your registration, you buy USDT. So guys, if you go to your funding account here on Bybit exchange, you will see convert. So guys, you can click on it. So guys, I'm going to convert USDT to HBAR. So guys, make sure you have USDT. 1.17 will give you 3.255 HBAR. So guys, you will click on quote. After you click on quote, you click on confirm. So guys, this is how to buy HBAR. You can also buy HBAR from your spot market. So guys, this is how you search for HBAR. You type HBAR, you click on this, then you can buy HBAR with your USDT. So if you have 5 USDT, you can buy 14.08 HBAR. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy HBAR. HBAR is a very good project. So guys, don't miss out on HBAR. So guys, if you want to buy XRP, we will use the same method, or we can use the same method to buy XRP. You click on convert. So guys, make sure you have USDT. So guys, I'm going to convert USDT to XRP. You click on max. 1.17 USDT will give you 0.35 XRP. You click on quote. Then you click on convert. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy XRP. XRP is gonna take off. So guys, don't miss out on XRP. If you missed out on XRP at 0.50 USD, you're gonna buy XRP at a very high rate. So guys, XRP will blast off to $10 or more than $10 in the next bull run. So guys, get yourself some XRP. So guys, if you want to store your XRP, you can download SafePal wallet. You can download SafePal wallet to store your XRP. So guys, this is my XRP. If you are storing your XRP on SafePal, SafePal will collect 1 XRP for account activation. So guys, they're going to collect 1 XRP for account activation. Some wallets will charge you 10 XRP for account activation. So guys, you can use SafePal to store your XRP. If you want to store your HBAR, guys, you have to download Hashgraph wallet. This is Hashgraph wallet. So guys, you have to download Hashgraph wallet. If you want to download Hashgraph wallet, you can go on CoinMarketCap. You search for HBAR, then you search for the website of HBAR. So guys, from the HBAR platform, search for Hashgraph wallet. This is where you will store your HBAR. You can also stake your HBAR in the Hashgraph wallet. So guys, if you are interested in staking, you can stake your HBAR. So guys, don't forget, download SafePal wallet to store your XRP and download Hashgraph wallet, to store your HBAR. So guys, this video is sponsored by like, share and comment. So guys, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.